Yo, what is up guys? I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the modded version of FC Mobile. This will basically give you unlimited coins and points in the game, which you can use to purchase anything. And don't worry, it's completely safe. I've been using it for a while now. I have a bunch of options right here, such as auto goals, unlimited coins and points, perfect skilled, auto speed, freeze goalkeeper, and much more. The first thing you want to do is grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using an Android today. Once you're on your device, make sure you already have FC Mobile installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next thing you need to do is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get FC Mobile++. So just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.